Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Garg and today I am here to discuss a topic how to pitch a brilliant idea with my friend Pratik. As Pratik already discussed the half part of this presentation, now I am going to start the remaining part of the article. In this topic, we are having the stereotyping while presenting an idea. We are having some positive stereotyping and some negative stereotyping. So as Pratik discussed the half part of this article, now I am going to discuss the remaining part of the article. So we have the positive stereotyping is showrunners, the artist, and the neophyte. As Pratik discussed about the showrunner, now I am going to discuss about the artist. As you can see in the slide that the qualities by which we can see the which we can see in the artists. Artists are the artist displays the single-minded passion and enthusiasm. They are less slick and polished as compared to the showrunners. They tend to be shy and socially awkward. As they are having a sense that they are living in their own world. They do not care about this world. They always sense that they are living in a different world. They are fairly transparent. They always feel fairly transparent. They are genuine. You can understand that the valuable asset of an artist is their tendency to use whatever method is necessary to express their ideas regardless of rules. They do not care about the way of presentation or the way of implementation. They just present the ideas, and they are hard to fake and commands the catcher's imagination. As research also reveals that the catcher tends to respond well when they believe they are participating in an idea's development. So this is also an important characteristic of an artist, and I believe that this is the most creative of the three types because we find artists everywhere. Now next comes is neophyte. Neophyte are the opposite of showrunners. Instead of displaying their expertise, they plead ignorance. They are optimistic. They always think that something will positive. They just think about the positive results. They do not care about the negative results. They just think about positivity. And they are neophyte scores points for daring to do impossible things, and they are so much enthusiastic. They are eager to learn. They always try to learn the new things, that do not care about what is happening. They just do eager to learn. They do not take any formal training. They are inexperienced. They are new, but they try something new, and they are successfully personality traits. Now catcher's fever. With this help, the catchers can take a good decision, that because those who buy those who buy ideas need to be aware that relying too heavily on the stereotypings can cause them to overlook creative individuals who can give them good results. So stereotyping causes overlooking of creative individuals. They can test pictures by asking some questions by many other ways, and they can ask the picture that how would they react if they criticize their ideas or their pitching. And these tests give catchers opportunity to arrive on a conclusion. By the help of these tests, catchers can take a good decision that will help out to reach a good goal. And now let's come to the conclusion of this article. We can understand from this article that if, apart from these stereotyping, if suppose, how do I make a positive impression if I do not fit into one of the three creative stereotypes? So what we believe with this article is that don't disguise yourself as a showrunner, artist, or a neophyte. Make an attempt to match yourself to the type you are most comfortable with. Just do in whatever you are comfortable to do. What if I don't want to the catcher's input into the development of idea? This is the most commonly asked questions in every pitcher. So what we can get from that article is, Find a part of the proposal for which you are willing to invite the catchers to come up with the suggestion, and engage the catchers as soon as possible in the development of the idea to diminish the odds of rejection. If you will add the catcher in the development of your idea, then there will be very less chances less chances of rejection, because they will feel the involvement in your idea. Now the insights of this article. What we can understand from the positive stereotypings is that showrunners deliberately label the power differential between themselves and the catchers. What artists invert the differential, and neophyte exploit it. So now in the last we can only say that if they rely too heavily on the stereotypes, idea buyers might overlook creative individuals who can truly deliver the goods. Thank you so much for giving us time. Thank you.